$2 million contract extension. Recently expected back relatively soon. Curry pulls from downtown. Clock Eastern time on ABC. Cavaliers with their new player. And the Spurs answer Golden State's 8-0 run with a 10-0 run of their own. Turnover already for the Warriors. And the Spurs give it right back. Iguodala leading the break. Inside to Draymond Green. Played at UCLA, affectionately known as Slow-Mo to his teammates. Held his ground and comes up with a steal. Inside, Pachulia with the easy one. Saw Pachulia.
I like what they're doing here. That was a strong double.
Klay Thompson with some thunder.
Yes.
13-point lead for Golden State. Fourth by JaVale McGee.
Golden State with the screens. Everybody thinks it's all pick and roll.